Two cybersecurity veterans. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, McAfee, trusted protection for all devices. And on the right, Trend Micro, smart, simple security for modern threats. Let's skip the hype and get into the real differences. Every category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which software comes out on top. The result in 2025 might surprise you. Okay, here's our game plan. We're about to explore malware protection, system performance, pricing and value, features, usability and special modes, and of course, customer support. So whether you care most about power or price, or you just want something simple for gaming, we've got you covered. Picture this as our mind map for the comparison. Kicking it off with malware protection. Now, McAfee honestly sets the bar here. So you're looking at top-tier detection rates, literally in the 99.8 to 100% range. And false positives? Rare. That said, when you fire up a quick scan, you might notice your machine slow down a bit. It's not shy about hogging resources. Now, switching to Trend Micro, detection rates are still awesome, hovering around 97 to 100%. And what's cool is they bring in this advanced AI stuff to help out. But heads up, it's got a slightly higher false positive rate compared to McAfee. Both are strong, but if you want the absolute champ for catching threats, McAfee grabs the edge here. Let's talk about system performance. So, how much do these slow you down? With McAfee, when it's just running in the background, you barely feel it. But oh man, run a full or quick scan and your CPU will probably notice. Sometimes up to 70% resource usage if you're unlucky. On the other hand, Trend Micro is quietly efficient most of the time. You might get a little spike during those deep scans, but compared to McAfee, it's less of a hit on your everyday work or gaming. So if you hate waiting for scans to finish or need your device silky smooth for multitasking, Trend Micro's the better performer here. Let's tackle pricing and value next. And honestly, this category is pretty tight. McAfee's big sell is unlimited device coverage. Seriously, cover all your gadgets. And they've got those crazy good first-year deals. Just be careful, because the renewal price will jump big time, so not so fun for your wallet next year, especially for just one or two devices. Trend Micro? It starts lower in price, and you can cover up to 10 devices, which is probably enough for most families. But if you have a tech-filled household, no unlimited option here. In the end, both bring great value for slightly different crowds. So honestly, this one's a draw. Pause real quick. Did you know McAfee was founded in 1987 and Trend Micro in 1988? These cybersecurity veterans protect hundreds of millions of devices worldwide. They've basically seen the internet grow up. Moving over to features, now here's where McAfee loves to flex. You get the whole 9 yards. Firewall, VPN, ID protection, password manager, even parental controls. If you want it all in one place, this is that all-in package. Just keep in mind it can be a bit heavy when running certain stuff. Now, Trend Micro brings its own flavor. You get a secure browser called PayGuard, amazing if you're always online shopping, plus vault encryption, file erase, and anti-theft for your phone. But it doesn't come with its own firewall, just a booster. Overall, McAfee's the feature king, and that's tough to overlook. All right, usability and special modes. McAfee's got an interface that's honestly easy to figure out, even if you're not techie. Downside? No gamer mode. So if you hate notifications or lag mid-match, yeah, that'll annoy you. Trend Micro, though, is basically made for gamers and streamers. Mute mode means no interruptions, and the dashboard's clean. My only gripe? You do have to dig a bit to reach some settings, but nothing deal-breaking. For folks who want to game, stream, or just have smooth sailing, Trend Micro wins this one. Last on the list, customer support. McAfee takes this super seriously. 24/7 support, tons of guides, and you can ping them anytime. Though, honestly, you might wait during busy times. Trend Micro, meanwhile, is reliable too. You've got email, chat, phone options, and good help docs. Just keep in mind, live support isn't available everywhere. For sheer reach and always-on help, McAfee's on top here. So let's zoom out for a second and look at the whole picture. Checking the radar chart, McAfee shines in protection, features, and customer support, while Trend Micro nails system performance and usability. Both swing hard in pricing. Visually, McAfee covers more ground overall, but Trend Micro really stands out for efficient, user-friendly, everyday use. So, right now, if you want absolute top-shelf protection with all the bells and whistles, even if it's a bit heavier on your system, McAfee's the winner. On the flip side, if your priority is day-to-day smooth performance or you're big on gaming, Trend Micro feels like the smarter, more practical pick. You can't go wrong, but I'd say McAfee's got the edge for total protection, while Trend Micro is perfect for folks who just want simple, effective security without bogging things down. Enjoyed this head-to-head? Follow for more expert security comparisons. See you in the next one.